My dear parents, during this pandemic time, unfortunately, we hear a lot of stories of children getting abused, both girls as well as boys, right? Now, today I'm going to tell you an acronym that will help your children reduce or prevent themselves from being abused to a large extent. I'm Commander Bimal Raj. I'm the founder of Insightful Parents, and I've been studying parenting for over 20 years. Now, coming back to the topic, the acronym is PC. We all have PCs at home, but this P and C stands for privacy and control. Remember that a person who wants to attack or abuse, if he does not have P and C, he cannot do it. All right. Now, coming back to what is privacy? Privacy or a private place is any place where the possibility of a third person coming in suddenly is very, very remote, or a place where even if they shout, the people are not within earshot. Places like private cars, hotel rooms, homes where people are not available, empty buildings, and all these places can give the attacker the privacy that he or she needs. All right. Second one is control. Control exists when taking a case of a girl. If a girl feels persuaded that a man must be given what he wants because she fears of being rejected, she fears being attacked physically, she fears that her reputation will be tarnished, or she doesn't even want to hurt that person's feelings, or all these things come into place. Now, remember, if you do not give a man privacy and control, you are keeping yourself safe. You need to have conversation with your girls and your boys and make them aware of these two aspects, okay? Privacy and control. I'm Commander Bimal Raj signing off right now. Until the next video, see you.